I liked that Manfrotto killer from K&F so much that I decided to try out the carbon fiber number. And let's just cut to the chase. This has now become one of my day-to-day tripods. As with the other tripod, we've got a decent bag there, carry handle, strap if you need it, and a sturdy zip. Inside, well, I've been using this one. You've got the usual tools that you need all in there, including a center column piece and the tripod itself. At the bottom end, you've got 3 twist locks on each leg. Easy to do with one hand. It's a nice, quick operation. Little clicky stays so you can adjust the splay of your legs. Nice and easy. Just with a little pull and you're in. Same all the way around. I mean, if you just pull it down, it'll stop into the place that you need. Center column hook, so you can add some more weight down there, and you can adjust these with a tool provided if they start to get loose over time. Here's a nice little trick, which to be honest I don't particularly use. You just unscrew one of the legs, attach this little gizmo and the nut there, and then you can put your head on the top right there, and it's got some nice cushioning so you can carry it around without having to hold on to the carbon fiber bit. Just a nice bit of spongy cushion there. It's not the most sturdy monopod ever, so I don't know, it's good it's there just in case I get a bit fed up of the tripod, or if I want to go to something more compact and easy to move around. Yeah, that'll be okay, I think. I don't use particularly heavy cameras most of the time, so that'll be all right. Looking at the included ball head attachment, Arca Swiss style plate with a nice solid clench or whatever you want to call it there. We'll pop a camera on in just a moment. You've got ball head adjustment there, and you've got a rotation there, which is actually pretty smooth. You can easily take that off and put your own on, which might be a good option for you. You might need the adapter down there, but let's just pop it on for now and pop a camera on it. I've got me T2 and it's already got the Arca Swiss style attachment via the Makey grip, so we line that up. Now, one cool thing about the Makey grip was it lines up centrally with the lens, so we've tightened up, and that's basically it. I don't need to put another plate on. I mean, that's an advantage of the grip, but it means I can just keep going as I want. And I've actually got the same thing attached to my T20. Now, the Canon 80D that's shooting this right now is on the aluminium red tripod from K&F, so there's no need to show you that. But as you can see, it fits nicely and works smoothly. The ball head for me then, I think I'm going to stick with it. This is quite long. I think I mentioned that on the previous tripod video, but it's all right. I can feel confident with that, and there's actually a spirit level at the other end, so you might want to put this on in reverse. So it's just a simple case of unscrewing, putting it back in. Now I've got this handy spirit level at the back, so I can see that blatantly where I need to. For about 135, 136 pounds on Amazon, I would say this is a nice, light, sturdy, flexible, capable tripod that's worth taking a look at, especially if you want to get into the carbon fiber world without laying down hundreds and hundreds of pounds. This might be a good entry into that sort of world for you. It might not have the cool factor of the Manfrotto, but it's got everything else that I personally need in a tripod. I mean, I might be de-tagging some of it, but even the gold on black is pretty funky, so I'm quite happy with that. And it just does the job, and without tiring me out. Normally, when I do a little video about a tripod or something, I like to take it out and show you out and about, but I figured it's just as good as the last one we did from K&F Concept, and really I wanted to show you the thing close up so you could see what on earth it looks like without being surrounded by shrubbery. It folds down nice and compact, as any decent tripod of this nature does. You can get it, if you do it right down, and then throw it in the bag and you're off. It's not necessarily a travel tripod, but I guess some of you out there probably would use it for that. Me personally, day to day, no problem at all. Another winner, frankly, from K&F Concept. Do not overlook these Chinese brands. Click the Amazon link below to check it out and see if it's for you. If you've used it, let us know, and if you've found any problems with it, let us know too. I haven't so far, and I've used this one for a little while now on a bunch of jobs, and the red aluminium one, I should give it a different name really. I mean, this one's called the KF TC2534. Snappy or what? Subscribe, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.